Frontline Eurosports Online. Your host Nate Jennings is going to be doing our first uncrating of a 2018 Ducati Scrambler 1100. And we got a special guest doing the uncrating since our first one. We're going to have our main technician Andy do the uncrating for us. And I'm going to leave the color as a surprise as we unveil the 2018 Ducati Scrambler 1100. Back that plastic and let you see the color of this 2011 or 2018 1100 Ducati. Boom! One last surprise. Twin Brembo disc brakes, chrome exhaust, that's high mount. Beautiful brown seat and a gray color. Nice. Look at the embellishment on the engine. Going to the more standardized controls like you'll see on the Monster 797s. And new instrumentation. So an additional portion of the instrument cluster up here. That is our 2018 gray Ducati Scrambler 1100. So thanks for watching at Frontline Eurosports and have a beautiful day.